Alright, so you guys saw my face. So, first break tonight, 1892 Anthology 1516. The Money in the Bank fight. Alright, so let's do this. Box number one. There's only one decoy on that one. Alright, so we start with Massive Material. MM64 out of 299 Marcel for the New York Rangers. Next, we have the paired pieces, Shandon and Martin Ansel, PPDH. 99 for the Arizona Coyotes. Next, we have another pair of pieces for the Los Angeles Kings, Tanner Pearson and Tanner Toffoli. Next, we have a Massive Material. It's a jersey, three-color jersey for the Edmonton Oilers, Neil Yakupov. Next, we have full coverage. That's interesting. Alright. FC23. So that's out of 49. Josh Georges.
Montreal Labs.
For Montreal, yeah, Montreal Canadiens. Nice for Montreal. Josh Georges out of 49.
Patch.
It is. And next, we have another Griffin Reinhardt for the New York Islanders. And the last hit is a triple autograph. Tampa Bay, Vancouver Canucks, and the Toronto Maple Leafs out of 299. Jonathan White, Bo Arvac, and Tyler Biggs. So thanks, Franco. So that is going to be random number one. Triple autos. Right, so that was box number one. Box number two. Alright, box number two. Oh, damn. All decoys. So we start with Massive Material. MM80. Jean-Sébastien Chida. The blue. 39 bucks with that blue jersey. That's out of 75. Next, we have Massive Material. MM78. How's that 78? That Milan Lucic. So goes to the Boston Bruins. Next, we have the titular material for the Dallas Stars. Out of 49, Jamie Benn. Next, we have the Massive Material, MM4, Cam Neely. Yeah, for the Vancouver Canucks. So Vancouver Canucks, Cam Neely, Massive Material. Next, we have titular material out of 15. Out of 15 for the New York Islanders, John Tavares. Nice squad. With a patch, tag, and a jersey. John Tavares out of 15. Next, we have an autograph. Again, for the New York Islanders, Griffin Reinhardt.
Everywhere.
He is. And our last hit is an autograph of the Hunter Switz HNL 28.
Homelands?
Yeah, Almond Native Land. Dale Hunter for the Washington Capitals. So there it is, guys. That was our double box break of Anthology. Once again, we had 2 nice boxes. But the thing is, yeah, we had a random. So I will do the random right away. Alright, so let's do this. And the last one. Alright, so the winner is the Tampa Bay Lightning with Jonathan Drouin. Alright, guys, so that is it for our Anthology break. I'll be right back in 5. Nice thing, our background isn't a stupid thing. Alright, we'll be right back in 5 minutes with our double box break of SP Authentic. Thanks, guys.